Good evening, boys and girls, and welcome to the eastern wing of the Stinkbug Works. I'm doing my after-run maintenance, and as I was doing it, something dawned on me, and I said, hey, this would be a good idea. Maybe somebody else could use it. And so let me show you what I've done here. So in the after-run maintenance, I take out the drive shaft, and I wipe it down, and I set it out to air dry. Then I take the hull and I go in with compressed air and I blow out as much as I can, and then I set it on this. And what is this, you ask? Well, this, years ago I had a computer where the fan went out. And so I just set it on a board with a small squirrel cage fan on it. And it pumped air in my computer, and I didn't need to replace the fan, which couldn't be accessed. You had to throw the whole computer away. So I had this board, and it's perfect for, airing out a boat. And quite frankly, if I were to make one of these today, I'd just put the fan motor in the middle, and I'd just take a block of foam, another block of foam, and flip the boat upside down over that. And you could do this with a V-hull, a cat, anything, and just, it circulates air in there. The boat's upside down, everything drips, everything's going to run down to the low spot here. So, there you go. That's just an idea. If, you get a squirrel cage fan on eBay for $5 and a piece of wood, there you have a boat dryer. One other thing, too. I talked about my rudder and all the spinning out I was doing. Let's take a look at how much higher the rudder is than the prop. That's a lot of rudder below the prop. I think I'm going to take 1/2 inch off of that just for starters, because I think that's the cause of my hooking. So there you go, boys and girls. Just an idea I thought I'd share with you, a boat dryer. Until next time, jet out.